Your Mega account can contain personal files, backups, and important documents, so keeping it secure really matters. In this guide, I'll show you the main steps to protect your Mega account, from using a strong password to securing your recovery information. Let's get started. First, make sure your Mega password is strong and unique. Avoid using the same password for email, social media, or other cloud services. A good password should be long, difficult to guess, and not based on personal information. If you reuse passwords, this is a good time to change that. Next, turn on two-factor authentication if it's available for your account. This adds another verification step when signing in. Open your account security settings and look for the two-factor authentication option. Follow Mega's prompts to connect your supported authenticator method. One of the most important parts of Mega security is protecting your recovery information. Your recovery key or recovery information may be essential for regaining access to your account. Store it somewhere safe and private, preferably offline or in a secure password manager. Never post it publicly or send it to someone you don't trust. Now check your account for active sessions or connected devices. Look for devices you recognize and review anything unfamiliar. If you see a session you don't recognize, sign it out and consider changing your password immediately. So this is a simple way to spot suspicious access. Next, review the files and folders you've shared. Mega links can provide access to specific content, so avoid sharing sensitive files with people you don't know. Remove or disable links that are no longer needed, and double-check permissions before sharing anything important. Finally, watch out for phishing messages. Never enter your Mega password or recovery information into a suspicious website. Check the address carefully before signing in and avoid unexpected links asking for your account details. When in doubt, open Mega directly instead, and that's how you can make your Mega account much safer. Use a unique password, enable two-factor authentication, protect your recovery information, review active sessions, manage shared links carefully, and stay alert for phishing. A few minutes of security checks now can save you a lot of trouble later.